Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Children, as you know, reading is very important part in our daily studies. So, let's do reading practice today. Unit 6 and our lesson name is Sham's Horse Cart. You have to read after the teacher. For reading, I am going to use this arrow cursor. You have to put the finger on this particular word and say after the teacher. Now let's start. Sham started in his horse cart to go to the fair. On the way, Madhu and Meera said, "Can we come?" "Oh, yes," said Sham. The dog saw them. He asked, "Can I come?" "Oh, yes," said Sham. They were going through the fields. The peacock saw them and asked, "Can I come to the fair?" "Oh, yes," said Sham. When they were crossing the river, the frog asked, "Can I come to the fair?" "Oh, yes," said all of them. Sham said, "Come and sit near me." They saw the fair from a distance. The peacock was so happy. It spread its feathers and started dancing. But one feather touched the dog's ear. He sprang up and barked loudly. Madhu was frightened. Meera fell on the frog. The frog fell on the horse. The horse was so frightened that he ran helter-skelter. Sham fell off. Then Madhu and Meera also fell off. One by one, all of them fell off. The horse kept running and stopped when it reached near the fair. Sham, Madhu, Meera, the dog, the peacock and the frog were all panting when they reached. Till then, the horse became quiet and relaxed. In the evening, they returned happily in the horse cart. Very good, children. Like that, daily you have to do practice for reading. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy reading.